Hi, do you ever wonder what type of engine is used in car? The answer is petrol engine. Today, we will learn the structure and operation of a 4-stroke petrol engine. The 4-stroke are intake, compression, power, and exhaust stroke. Now, we will focus on the intake stroke. In the intake stroke, intake valve open, exhaust valve close. Piston moves downward. The mixture of air and petrol enters through the intake valve. Now we move on to the compression stroke. Piston moves downwards just now, but now it moves upwards. The piston will compress the mixture of petrol and air in the combustion chamber. Piston compress the mixture until it reaches 1/5 or 1/5 of the original volume. Do notice that both the intake valve and exhaust valve are closed now. The high pressure in the combustion chamber will increase the temperature. During the compression stroke, crankshaft complete the first revolution. Now we move on to the third stroke, the power stroke. Do notice that both valves are still closed during the power stroke. Spark plug firing. This will burn the mixture of the air and petrol. The hot gases expand and push the piston downwards. Last but not least, the exhaust stroke. During the exhaust stroke, intake valve is still closed, but exhaust valve finally opens. The piston will move upwards. It will push the exhaust gas out through the exhaust valve. Now, crankshaft has completed the second revolution. Thank you for your attention. Bye.